Nice to meet you to this new episode of Weekbit. Yes, Denon CD player, and this is a UCD-F10. I got this and the information is doesn't work, and what we're gonna do first is Mr. Brush. First we will clean it. In this case it works, and then it doesn't work after a few seconds, so we must have a watch on it, what's happened with it. And look, we have here the Phillips connector, also a little bit dirty. But what I'm wondering is that here are 4 holes inside the back plane. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It seems to be they would like to install here a fan or so. But for what is this? Nobody knows it. Yeah, system connector, whatever it is. Digital out and in. Yeah, and we make a test. I don't like the word test. in the 90s, we sit in front of a computer, so all the people are signing the names test. Test 14. And so it says nothing, and then we found out that we have hundreds of tests 14 and 15 and so on till 150. Nobody understands what is the test 150. First we connect also these change connectors, and also the power plug, and switch it on. Still come on, and where's open close here? That doesn't work. It's working. First I would like to amplify it with my amplifier, and now we need a CD, and here's a CD closing the tray, and 0, 0, 0. Nothing. Sounds nothing. Doesn't spin up. Yeah, then we disconnect it from the mains and we open up the body. And have a look inside what's happened with it. It's not so understandable what's happened with it. It was okay, first it was okay, and then now it doesn't run. It's all the time the same with these machines. It works and then it doesn't work. But where is the end of a SD card reader? I mean, the end of a CD player is around 10 till 20 years. You have fun with it. And what is the lifetime? If you need in 70 years in your lifetime, you need 10 CD players. No, less. I think so, not so much. We look inside. Yeah. Maybe this. No, will not be here. Can I see something? No. Look, here are the digital analog converters. PCM 61P from Brown. This is a cool company. And does it spin up or does it not spin up? This is a big question. If I switch it to the on, go out and in, doesn't spin up. But this is mechanically. What is this? It's all the way going. I think so. It's, look, this does a spin here and not snap in. This is interesting. Why it doesn't, you cannot move it by hand? This is an interest. Why? This is a big question. Maybe it closed not the drive, and so this is the problem. I mean, the mechanical things are sensitive, this is normal, but why is this? First I'm asking me, you cannot spin. Why this cannot be spin? Here special thing. Look, this is not good. It's not up. It's going not up. Aha, I understand. Doesn't shift to the end. Wrong screwdriver. I think this will be not so easy to understand why this is so. It's a mechanical disaster. And what happened with this mechanical disaster? Maybe it's something, the plastic parts doesn't lift up, the lift doesn't lift up. Doesn't, I don't understand why. Look, super, but long cables, I can disconnect it. And here also. So, I fix this, and then we must have a watch on that machine. Why doesn't come up? Look, the thing is dead. Now it's close. I can spin this. I have now here a small screwdriver. Maybe I can spin it here, inside here. I mean, did they building a drive like this? Why? Why they doing this? So this shifter doesn't work. Why? Maybe no, it's good. It's good enough. Oh, it's heavy. And this. This shifter doesn't shift. But it must be going up and up and up. Why it doesn't so? It must be go more up. Aha, I see what's happened here. This is not under that. So it's not in the it's not in the line. But why? Why is this going up and not? I understand. So shit, but it's not back. Ah, no, it's back. It's back. It jumps back. But why? Look at this. Now it's going here and zack. It's on the end position. But I tell you why. Because this pin here is broken. Look, this pin here is broken. We must make a thing that holds this pin in. But why is this broken? And this is the switch, this is the end switch. So the machine knows what's happened. It goes in, the drive goes in, and this shifts to the right. So you see the drive is up, and this pin will be bent. Go back, go out. Go back, go out. But this is not in this rail. Oh my gosh. How I can fix this? I have an idea. Look, this is a UV light glue, and this is a curing lamp with the U ultraviolet, and I take this plastic ring, not for here, for here. And I must clean it first. I cut it. Okay. And then I cut it here, you see, I cut it on this, and I cut it on a little bit like here. I think so it's 3 millimeters, or now we have that here. You see this small little piece, and now I would like to glue it on this point here. I hope so. That doesn't. It's working. But first, I would like to make it. I make it clean in form of with the isopropyl or so. But I don't want the sponges. Where are my sponges? My sponges are away. I take the isopropyl and would like to make it a little corner, maybe a corner like this, and clean this. And okay, now I would like to make it a little bit rouge, and I'm taking this screwdriver or I put it here. This would also be a cool idea. I make a little bit scratches inside, and so the glue can hold in the structure, and I make a ring. What did you think? If I do this, or should I put that on that? Yeah, I put that on that. Scratching it, and then I put a glue. You can see it, what I'm doing here. Put a little point here and closing the cap. So where are my pins at? Here it is. And now you must see this is now not good. I must clean up the other side. Holding up this, don't shaking, and curing it through the UV light is going through the plastic. I'm sorry I cannot show you this exactly, but after. Now you can see it. It's curing now. This cannot fall off the track. Curing it now for 60 seconds or so. Normally it's in 20 seconds it's cured, but I do that. I know it takes longer time from this cow footer. It's the K302. You can order it at AliExpress also. And the lamp, that seems to be good. Okay, it's good, and we build it together and hope so, knocking on the door or knocking on wood, and hope so that the Denon will work again for the next 20 years. This is important that we know this. Look at this. Oh! No. What is happened now? Why this is so? I mean, some button is pressing, but I don't press the button. Put this in, This track will doing something with the okay, I understand. It's fall off, it's fall off. I don't understand why it's fall off. What can I do with this? It's not fall off. Here it is. Why it cannot be glued here? It's impossible. Oh yeah, it's the same defect as before. Same defect as before. why it is so. Tell me. Now it's gonna be loud. I would like to drill here a hole inside and okay, seems to be, it works. Look, this tiny hole, you can see it. Yeah, you can see it here, it's possible. Yeah, and this tiny hole we would like to make also here a tiny hole. Huh? And we must gluing the pin, screwing the pin. It's look, it works. But we need also the glue, this K-Futter glue, and some pin from a diode. Look, I take a pin from this diode. This will be, I cut it here. Yeah, it's good. It looks good. Looks good. Not so bad. And I must bring these to each other. Maybe I should glue the pin first in also. Huh? Will be not so. You can see it. It's here. But oh my gosh, it's not so, it's not that what I want. Glued my finger. Okay. Looks not good. Doesn't hold, and the pin doesn't hold, and everything hold nothing. I mean, I don't know why the plastic don't glue. Normally you can glue plastic perfect with that. Maybe it's no plastic, maybe it's I don't know what for type of synthetic stuff this is. So we check it up that the pin will hold. My pin set is gluing here. Okay, the pin is holding. And now if we put it here, did that work or not? It's not perfect. The perfect pin. Yeah, but if this is the perfect pin, I think so, it's good. It's not so bad. So we cutting here. A little bit. Look. Focus. Now we putting the blurb here inside. Goes in. Should we use other glue? Huh? to focus. Don't see the blue light or not. If we put it back, we must put that here, less than here. You see this? You see this pin here? This pin? Yeah? It must be going this track if we put it in. Why? Why is this bent now? I understand why I bent it. I bent it. This is the problem. You cannot put it back in case of that I bent it, and so I destroy it with my finger. I push that back on this side, but this doesn't never work in this direction. And so I put it out. Is that idiotic, huh? This is the reason why. Super. This is super idiotic, really. You cannot believe how stupid that is. Because if I put this in here now, that lifts up immediately. In case of what? In case of that I move with this on the outside, but I must be in the inside. But I have an idea. Don't touch this, is like this. But when I can come in here, no, nothing. This is the problem. And if I shift it here, no, it's not destroyed. Okay. For me it's clear. I need a glue point here, and then I close it. This is very, very easy to understand. And now we have the problem that the glue is running here in between. Not good. No. Why it is falling inside the machine? Come out. So it comes out. Look, here's the pin, but doesn't work. Why are they making a pin so small? Look at this. It's called like coulis. I think so, it's a coulisse. But okay. Must clean it. Maybe there is some glue on it. Okay. And should I put a little bit grease on it? This will be not so bad. I'm taking the grease. Well, I'm putting the grease here, like this, a little bit. Not too much. Don't put it too much on the machine because it should not swim inside. This should not swim. A little bit is okay, but also not here. Yeah. Cleaning also your tools, and we closing the. Ah, it's interesting. Why? Why this so? And here we have the problem that the pin cannot go up here. Then it will be destroyed. And why? I don't know why. These little pins are not coming in. It's super. It's a super pin. It makes it work. I think so. It works, but not with this. Not with this glue. Interesting. Inside it works. Outside not. Taking the super glue, but the super glue destroy all the plastic parts. This is the problem. This is about the chemical thing. I must clean up this first. What I'm gonna do first is I'm putting a glue point here, yeah, here, and then look at this now. It's not perfect, but the thing is that I insert this first. I insert it first. One moment. Now you see the pin is in track. Tuck, you see? Super. But now I go to this point and insert the pin. I insert the pin now. And curing it by the UV light. What shall I do? I cannot move with the with the figure, and so I must figure out how I can putting these parts together without these problems. You see? Now I don't have the issue that is falling apart. Because the highness, I mean, look how much distance I have to the pin. cannot be that this is this pin hold now, and it works forever. I mean, okay, so we fix this. This takes time and costs nerve. My nerves are gone. Now we must beat all this each other and hope so the drive is going for the next 10 years minimum. I don't want like to repair it again. So assembly this drive, and we do not forget the end pin and so on. It comes up, yes. We are putting the end pin in. I think this is mechanical, the end from the tray, and this is the switch point end, isn't it? Oh, this is the mechanical end and the other is the switch point end. First it comes the switch point and then it's the mechanical end. If somebody came to the idea and would like to put that out also, huh? Look, it works. Still in position. Good. Good and bad at the same time. Schnapp. For what they need screws here? I don't know. Whoa, what was that for a screw? I think so. It was a plastic screw. Is that possible? Yeah, I think it's a plastic screw. In case of the plastic parts, it's a plastic screw. The endless repair. Nobody is perfect, I think. But this idea with the pin was a good idea. But then it doesn't work. Often because I destroy it by myself. I'm self-guilty. Now we put it in here. So bad. And here the drive, and here is, I think so, the center drive. And now we would like to make a test. I hope so it works. And we need only one screw for fixing this in position. So now we make the live performance test. Does it work or does it not work? I hope so it works. So much connectors here. So, zack. And switch it on. Open it. It works. And close it. Now. Oh, it works. And play. Super. Where is the sound? It's doing like shoop, 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 like this. dirty track also, huh? Yes, sounds not so bad. It works. Sound comes over the speaker. Yes, that was the UCD-F10 from Denon with the broken pin. But I destroy all the time my work self, and so you cannot believe it was worth the never-ending repair. If you like my channel, please subscribe. And I say thank you for watching.